Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. There have been reports from Windows users detecting error, such as Windows could not find a driver for network adapter after running troubleshooter to detect problems when experiencing network adapter not working issue. Network-related issues can be a frustrating experience, but lucky for you, we've got you covered. For today's video, we will go through several troubleshooting solutions to resolve the problem detected after running troubleshooter. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, update network driver. A corrupt or outdated network driver is often the cause for network-related issues on your computer. Make sure drivers are up to date and then check if the issue is resolved. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Network Adapters to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select the option Search automatically for drivers. Once best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, now check if issue is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Second solution, Reinstall Driver. If after updating issue still persists, you may need to reinstall network driver. There have been reports from users that issue has been resolved and problem no longer detected after reinstalling driver. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At Run dialog box, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at Device Manager window, click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for uninstall process to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, drivers will automatically install. Run troubleshooter again and check if the problem is fixed. If not, proceed to the next solution. Third solution, do a system restore. If after updating and reinstalling audio drivers and problem on troubleshooter still persists, try restoring Windows back to the previous update installed on your computer before you experience the issue. To do this, type restore point at the search bar and then click on the Create a Restore Point result. Click System Protection tab. Next, click on the option System Restore, then click Next. Then choose from the Restore Point and then click Next. After which, click Finish tab and then follow on-screen instructions, which I will no longer be showing here. Run troubleshooter again and check if the problem is fixed, and check if you are now connected to the internet. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.